Hello, you beautiful people. Mahesh from Skill School Online. This is another video in the series of how to design the essentials of whatever we require in the social media world. And right now, I'm looking at showing you how to design a Facebook cover. Many people look at the dimensions and they try to do it themselves by looking at other software or trying to download pirated software and things like that. But you don't have to do any one of those things. What we're going to do right now is go to canva.com. All right, like last time. And if people have not seen my video, you can find it in the link below, the previous video. Canva.com is a website that specializes mainly in many day to day social media designs. Other designs too, but mostly what we need is social media. So once you go to that URL, you come to a page like this. If people haven't signed up, please do sign up. It's free. You go to create a design. All right. On the left hand top corner, you find a button called create a design. Once you click on that, you get this particular page over here, which has many designs templates. So you go right below over there, okay? And since all the social media websites have this habit of changing their dimensions of many things in their websites, this particular website called Canva directly is updated of that particular change if you don't have the update already. So what we're going to do is we're going to go right here to the Facebook cover page, all right? And here you see it, all right? So this is the Facebook cover page. So the thing is, you have a Facebook cover and you have a Facebook event cover. So this is when you make events and in Facebook, and this one is the normal Facebook cover. Let's just click on that. Okay, on the Facebook cover page. Facebook cover right now is 820 pixels into 312 pixels at this time of the recording. So what we have here is the canvas, and on the left hand side we have a template. I call it a template machine because it has all the things that you ever need pre-designed. So you don't have to think about the design. You just have to go over here and see if it really suits whatever you're doing. Sometimes whatever you do might not be here, but it gives you at least that idea of design, a reference for something you can design. All right. So I'll just say a cafe. Okay. If I own a cafe and I want to push that out as what I do, then I just click on this particular thing over here or any other thing that refers to cafe. And here we are. So we have Le Petit Cafe, espresso, coffee, desserts, pastries. So everything over here is editable. So the main thing is text and the background. Okay. Now the background can be editable. So if you want to take out the background and you want to put something else, you can do that. So you can just delete it. So you can highlight it over here. Okay, only the background and delete it. And let's just go to something called elements. And then we have free photos. So we have free photos over here. You can talk, I have this entire series to talk about all these things, but we have free photos over here. You click on that. I suggest that something which is closer to food. So I'll just take this over here just for a moment. And that's the other thing. If you just want one particular image over here, and if you don't have to go through the hassles of doing this, like resizing and trying to fit it over here, then I suggest that let's just take this out and let's just go to layouts and sorry, elements. Take this out of here. Go to grids. Now, in the grid section, you have this tool for one image, two images, and all these are images, placeholders, sorry, placeholders. So I'm just going to say, I'm going to take this one, right? And this is placed right below this. So if I go to my photos over here, free photos, and I go back to that image that I wanted, I'll just double click over here and I just place it and it drops right in. Now you notice that it's right on top. So if it's right on top, there is this arrange button over here that you can click on and you say back. Okay. And it gives you an option to go back again because it's just gone one layer back. See if you can look at this text has just come up. And you say back again and this thing comes up. And then it goes one step at a time. So you say back again and then here we go. Right? There's no more backs. So now we have the Petite Cafe. Now it's about how you design and how you want it and things like that. I'm going to show you just the tools, and you double click over here. You can name it. You can name this design. Say La Petite Cafe. Okay. So you say that, and this is how it is, and this is how easy it is to get the uh, social media or any other design that you ever want. Now, the other thing is that if you pay, right, you can create a transparent background and things like that, but that's just for logos. But for now, for all these designs, it's free, and you can just download it over here. So you have PNG, PDF, and PDF print. Now, PDF print is for say you want something physical, you want a standee or you want a signboard or something like that. You can actually use this to send it to a printer. All right. And so it says recommended over here PNG, which is going to be for social media. So I'd say I'll just download it over here and I'll ask you to. So there are two types of downloads. One is it says it's just ready and downloading, so you can post it immediately. And the other one is you can download it onto your desktop. Okay, so this is how it is. And thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Thank you.